Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and today I have a layout for a challenge, a weekend challenge over at the Girls Down Under, and Sharon set the challenge this weekend, and because it's her birthday, then she's given us a birthday challenge to do. So we have to meet 3 criteria. We have to do a page celebrating a birthday, put the birthday number on the page, and add a cake, embellishment and a banner. So this is what I'm doing. So this is my 30th birthday, many decades ago now. And I've already got my embellishments sorted in clusters because I know what I'm doing. But basically my heading is going to be Let's Celebrate 30 with some vellum creative cuts from Uniquely Creative. And this is actually the last of my packet of these from the Indigo and Violet range. I wanted to finish these up, so I've put the last of them on this page. And then we had to add a cake. So I've got a die cut cake here, and this went with a matching stamp set once upon a time, but I don't have that stamp set anymore. So I thought, well, I can add some creative cuts, they're only vellum, and stick them to here, wrap them around the edges, hopefully that works, add some leaves and wrap them around as well, and create a pretty cake with these vellum creative cuts on it. Fingers crossed it works. Well, that's that idea anyway. Well, fingers crossed. And then a little cluster at the top and something down here and something down here. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Let's get this page started. I just remembered, I wanted to add, the reason I'm doing purple is because at this stage of my life, I think, was this stage or before, I can't remember. Yeah, it might have been this stage. I had a thing about purple, and the bedroom wall in my bedroom, one wall was purple and everything else was white. And my dad fought me for ages. He was very strict, and he fought me for ages about having this purple wall because he went, it's going to be really hard to paint over and blah, blah, blah. But eventually me and Mum wore him down, and I got my purple wall, and it was deeper than that colour. It's like, hang on, I've got a sore throat, so I've got some blackcurrant soothers, and it was like that colour, that dark purple. Yeah, it looked really good. Everything else was white in the room, and it looked really good. And I remember I had a white broderie anglais bed cover. Who remembers broderie anglais? It's that cotton with the little holes in it forming a pattern that is then like embroidered around. I don't really know how to describe it. That sort of describes it. But anyway, that's why this page is purple. A lot of people don't like purple, but it was one of my favourite colours when I was that age. So anyway, here we go. Okay, there's my page. I love how simple the colour scheme is. Just purple, white and a bit of green from the leaves. And that is that packet gone of my, where are they? The Creative Vellum cuts from Uniquely Creative from the Indigo and Violet range. I've used the whole packet. First time ever I've used the whole packet. And I'm so happy that they are gone, because I just hold on to stuff for years and years and years, and then, yeah, I just like using it all now. Yes, I've met the criteria. So Sharon asked us to do a page celebrating a birthday, tick, a birthday number on the page, tick, and a cake embellishment, tick, and a banner. Yay, I've done it. If you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're interested in joining our Facebook group, if you're from Australia or New Zealand and you're a scrapper, I'll have a link below for the group. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell. And thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.